Did you know some flowers not only survive blazing summer heat, they thrive in it? Yep, while most plants wilt under the scorching sun, some put on their best show. If your garden gets full sun and you've struggled with droopy flowers in summer, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 10 of the best heat-tolerant flowers that bloom beautifully even in the hottest months. Whether you're in Texas, Australia, or anywhere sunny, these plants will shine all season long. Let's dig in. 1. Lantana. Let's kick it off with a champion. Lantana is a tough-as-nails flower that laughs in the face of heat. It comes in bright colors: orange, yellow, pink, even purple. Butterflies love it, and guess what? It needs very little water once established. Perfect for containers or ground cover. 2. Zinnias. Zinnias are like fireworks for your garden. They bloom non-stop from spring to fall and love full sun. They don't mind poor soil and come in almost every color. A tip? Deadhead the old blooms and you'll get even more flowers. 3. Blanket flower. This flower is like a little sunset, red, orange, and yellow tones. It's native to hot, dry places and thrives in heat. Once it's in the ground, it's low maintenance and just keeps blooming. Plus, it's drought tolerant too. 4. Marigolds. Old school but gold. Marigolds can take the heat and still look cheerful. They're also great for veggie gardens because they repel pests like nematodes. Pro tip: choose the French marigold for compact size or African marigold for big blooms. 5. Portulaca. If you've got a dry, sunny spot, Portulaca is your go-to. It's a succulent, so it stores water in its leaves. The flowers open during the day and close at night. Fun to watch. Great for borders and hanging baskets. 6. Coneflower. This is one tough wildflower. It loves heat, drought, and even poor soil. It blooms all summer and pollinators can't get enough. Plus, the dried seed heads feed birds in the fall. Win-win. 7. Vinca. Not to be confused with the ground cover, this annual vinca is a heat lover. It thrives where petunias fail. It blooms in pinks, reds, and whites and needs hardly any care. It actually prefers drier conditions once it's growing. 8. Salvia. Salvias are tall, spiky, and hummingbirds go wild for them. They handle heat easily and bloom for months. There are many types, but Salvia farinacea, also called mealycup sage, is a favorite for hot sun. Plant them near a patio for some live bird watching. 9. Celosia. Looking for something a bit different? Try celosia. Its flowers look like flames or coral, super eye-catching. They love sun and heat, and they're perfect in flower beds or cut flower gardens. They'll add a fun texture to your garden lineup. 10. Coreopsis. This cheerful yellow bloomer is a sunshine machine. It thrives in hot, dry spots and blooms from early summer to fall. It also attracts bees and butterflies. Some varieties even reseed themselves, so they come back year after year. Extra tips. Heat tip: when planting in hot areas, try to water early in the morning. It helps the plants drink before the sun gets intense and prevents leaf burn. Soil matters. Even heat-tolerant flowers do best in well-draining soil. Add compost to help hold just the right amount of moisture. Pollinator bonus. Many of these flowers, like salvia, coneflower, and zinnias, support bees and butterflies. So, you're not just growing beauty, you're feeding the planet too. And there you have it, minus 10 stunning, sun-loving flowers that beat the heat like pros. If you found a new favorite or you've already grown one of these, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your garden stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a garden tip from me. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next one.